Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to work with tables in Slack and what's currently possible and not possible when it comes to adding tables in your workspace. Let's start with the big question. Can you insert a table directly into a Slack message? Unfortunately, no. Slack currently does not support native tables in message threads or channels. There used to be a workaround using a third-party tool like slacktables.com where you could upload a CSV file and generate a table to paste into Slack, but that tool is no longer functional. I also searched for alternatives in the Slack app directory, but as of now, there's no working app that brings table functionality directly into messages. So what can you do instead? Slack does allow you to use tables inside something called a canvas. This is a feature where you can add richer content like formatted text, checklists, and tables. Here's how to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is to open a channel or DM where you want to add a table. Click on the Canvas tab, usually at the top or in the side panel. If there's no canvas yet, click Create Canvas. Give your canvas a project name or for example, project table. Scroll down or click the plus icon on the bottom right corner, then choose Insert Table. From here, you can add or delete rows and columns. Type directly into the table and format your texts as needed. You can also type /table inside the canvas to insert the table quickly. Just note that this won't work in the message input field, only inside a canvas. Limitations to keep in mind are tables cannot be copied into messages and there's no drag and drop table support in messages. Also, Canvas is the only place where tables currently work inside Slack. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.